Hi, good morning. So there are three questions that we will be doing today. So the first one is, what are the first three ingredients that goes into successful communication? Well, for me, I would consider that a successful communication would do first in active listening, because if you do actively listen to your customers or to the client or to the person that you are talking, basically you will be able to understand what are the things or the underlying needs beyond that particular concern that a certain customer is looking for any answers. Number two is that uh, number two is that you will need to make sure that you empathize, not just only sympathize, but you empathize. You put yourself into your shoe so that in such a way they would feel that you are really care on what they feel and what they are going through, just to make sure that the customer would understand as well that you yourself will be able to know what are the things that you're going to do. And then number three for me is that a patience, because patience in line with the communication is that if you have the patience to understand and to hear what they are trying to say to you, then basically you will be able to understand and communicate with them clearly, disregarding where they are coming from. So that's it. Number two, if you were to capture the best communication advice that you have ever received as to 5 to 7 words presentation slide title, what it would be? Well, for me, the best communication advice is that you will always need to uh, Google for it, because Google is there to answer your questions. Number two is that you would need to use Merriam or Oxford dictionary for you to understand those not familiar words that you encounter. And then number three is that you learn to listen to American movies or any Hollywood movies that would help you understand and speak a better English. Not only that, read more books, especially those books that would provide you informative and educational details, especially either fiction or nonfiction, either way, as long as it's English, because it would provide you a way to understand communication a wider and better way as well. And then lastly, why we should hire you over other candidates? Well, for me, uh, my edge towards other, I get this question a lot. My edge towards other candidates is that I'm very perky type of person, a team player, and I'm a goal driven when it comes to a certain goal or metrics that the company requires to. So basically, that's the key point there, that you should hire me. And I'm smart and I easily understand things as I can. Well, basically, there's learning curve in everything that we do. So for me, probably my experience will talk wisely for about 9 years in the industry. So I was able to gain much more experience than before, when talking to our customers and clients, convincing them on how they can do upsell or do this product, why they need to choose to buy this product or why not, why they would need to get this product compared to our other competitors, something like that. And what are the benefits, or you could tell the what we call the fab, the features and the benefits on why they should get this products or these products. So basically, in our world today, we are run with social media influences and with all those other networks. So for me, my edge to them is being myself. That's it. So thank you so much for watching my video, and I hope you like this one, and I hope it would satisfy you to my answers. That would be all. Thank you. Bye for now.